I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Airtable. Give here Personal Access Token. So please visit Personal Access Token. Create a token. Give here the token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Base. Select Table. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.